In the park. At the door. On the table. Under the bed. Behind the tree. Between the chairs. Next to the window. In front of the school. Inside the box. Above the clouds. In the garden. On the roof. At the station. Under the bridge. Behind the curtain. Near the river. Over the fence. In the corner. Beside the lamp. Across the street. In the playground. At the library. On the chair. Under the tree. Behind the door. Between the rocks. Next to the door. In front of the house. Inside the drawer. Above the door. In the hallway. On the shelf. Under the rug. Behind the sofa. Near the kitchen. In the closet. By the window. On the mat. Under the desk. Behind the curtain. At the doorbell. On the porch. In the basket. Under the chair. Beside the bed. Near the TV. In the living room. On the counter. Under the umbrella. Behind the plants. At noon. In the morning. On Monday. Before lunch. After school. During the day. Since yesterday. Until bedtime. For 1 hour. By tonight. At dawn. In the evening. On Tuesday. Before dinner. After breakfast. During the weekend. Since last week. Until lunch. For 10 minutes. By tomorrow. At sunrise. In the afternoon. On Wednesday. Before class. After nap. During playtime. Since this morning. Until school starts. For a few minutes. By the weekend. At midnight. In the summer. On Friday. Before the movie. After lunch. During the break. Since this afternoon. Until the show ends. For a short while. By next week. At noon. In the spring. On Saturday. Before bedtime. After school ends. During recess. Since last night. Until it gets dark. For a while. By the end of the day. From Africa. Of my friend. From the zoo. Out of the box. From the library. From the bakery. Of her cat. From the shop. Out of the bag. Of a farmer. From the farm. Of a painter. From my brother. Out of the drawer. Of the city. From the store. From the park. Of the artist. From the classroom. Out of the garage. Of a teacher. From the museum. Of a musician. From the farm. Out of the closet. Of a scientist. From the hospital. Of a cook. From my aunt. Out of the kitchen. Of a chef. From the zoo. Of a detective. From the pool. Out of the backpack. Of a diver. From the aquarium. Of a nurse. From the garden. Out of the envelope. Of the inventor. From the theater. Of a writer. From the playground. Out of the mailbox. Of the librarian. From the station. Of the pilot. From the concert. Of the coach. With a pencil. By car. On foot. With a smile. By email. Through the window. By hand. In silence. From the mountains. Out of the box. By bicycle. On horseback. With a loud voice. By phone. In a hurry. With a gentle touch. Through the forest. By boat. In a whisper. With a flashlight. By train. On a plane. With a camera. By letter. With great care. In a creative way. With a brush. By scooter. With crayons. By taxi. In a playful manner. With a rope. By using a map. With a book. By skateboards. In a careful manner. With a tool. By swimming. With a key. By walking. With a hammer. By painting. With a needle. By mixing. With a ruler. By drawing. With a vacuum cleaner. By typing. With a magnet. By cleaning. With a red hat. Of my own. belonging to her, with a big smile, for the children, with a special touch, of little importance, with a broken leg, for personal use, with a kind heart, with an interesting pattern, of great value, for family gatherings, with a unique style, of limited edition, with a blue ribbon, of my favorite, with a soft voice, belonging to the class, of significant importance, with a beautiful design, for the holidays, with a funny story, of personal interest, with a colorful pattern, of the same type, with a big heart, for special occasions, with a special feature, of great importance, with a unique pattern, of historical value, with a golden frame, for special events, with a charming smile, of particular interest, with a fun design, for personal enjoyment, with a large collection, of considerable value, with a special charm, of little value, with an artistic touch, for personal use only, with a memorable design, of unique design, with a meaningful message, for family use, with a special edition, of great significance, for dinner, to learn, for fun, because of the rain, due to the delay, for the exam, to play, for the party, to help, because of the noise, for the game, to see the movie, for a surprise, to practice, because of the snow, for the show, to make friends, for a vacation, to visit, because of the holiday, for the concert, to cook, for the project, to draw, because of the wind, for the test, to relax, for the weekend, to clean, because of the traffic, for the trip, to read, for the class, to celebrate, because of the sun, for the picnic, to write, for the dinner party, to help others, for the homework, to buy, for a gift, to explore, for the celebration, to practice sports, for the play, to meet, for the event, To train. For a lesson.